WeatherTech side window deflectors are made of a strong and flexible polycarbonate with ultra-thin flanges that are designed to slip into the window channels. Before installing your deflectors, make sure the window and window channel are completely clean and dry. Wrap a paper towel around the flat end of the provided red installation tool and sweep it through the window channel and weather strip, cleaning it of dirt and debris. Now, rest the bottom edge of the deflector on the outer windowsill and slide the deflector forward into the window channel. With the front end in position, bow the deflector toward you to create tension and slip the rear end flange into the vertical window channel, leaving a gap at the top. Then, working front to back, pull down and tuck the flange up into the window channel. Before closing your window, make sure the deflector is fully inserted into the window channel and that there is no obstruction to the window track. Double check by running the flat end of the installation tool between the window seal and the deflector. Now, slowly roll up the window in small increments until it fully closes. Repeat the process on the other side and your WeatherTech side window deflectors are installed.